Many freelancers are stuck right now, not because they are lazy, but because of Fiverr ID verification. The problem is not that they are doing something wrong intentionally. They just don't understand Fiverr's requirements. That is why I'm organizing a paid training to explain how Fiverr verification works, why accounts fail. I'm going to show you how to prepare this the correct way. This is not about bypassing Fiverr rules. This is about avoiding mistakes that can permanently restrict your account. They try to change their account back to their local country, and Fiverr flags it. I will show you how to verify your foreign Fiverr account while keeping it in the original country it was created in. If you've seen disable your VPN, don't panic. It's a security check, and I'll show you how to handle it correctly. In this training, I will guide you step by step the right documents to use and support you through the process. Instead of paying people again and again to fix your account, I want you to understand it yourself and stay in control. The full training is 100,000 naira, but for the first 20 people, I'm giving it for just 55,000. After that, the price goes back up. If you're serious about your Fiverr account, click the link in the description now and secure your slot.